We made it to this beautiful spot right here in the woods. So yeah, we're in the woods today. Beautiful open little spot here. Pretty flat ground. There's a creek right behind us. Nice little creeks, nice little body of water right behind us, and it's a sunny day. Lots of birds are out. Yeah, beautiful day. But temperature is going to dip down to close to 0 Celsius later tonight. So it's going to be pretty cold later tonight, even though it's sunny right now. Especially when we're in the woods with tall trees, it's going to be a lot colder than it is if we were to be in the open. But we prepared for that tonight. Brought a hot tent with us and a wood stove as well. So we'll get a hot tent going tonight. We'll also get a fire going in front of us, cook some dinner, make some, and do a burger tonight. Burgers and some scallops wrapped bacon. It's gonna grill that on the fire, so should be a good one tonight. Forecast is not showing any rain today. It's gonna be straight sunny and dry today and tomorrow morning. But again, it's gonna be cold later tonight when the sun starts to set. But for now, I think we're just gonna start getting our tent set up. A lot of bugs are around right now, so I want to get the tent set up first, and then start a fire as soon as we can, just to get rid of all this lot of mosquitoes and flies around here. There's a lot of dry leaves and wood branches on the ground. I need to clear that off first before we start a fire. The last thing we want is to the fire just spread into the forest, but that's not gonna happen. All right, let's go ahead and set up tent and get settled in. Alright, so one of this rope here is a bit short, and I need to make it longer. I got another one here. I'm just going to connect them together. And the easiest way for me to connect them together is this knot here. Take the two, cross them like this. And just like that, they become connected. Alright guys, our tent is all set up. It is done. That was pretty quick. The ground is like it's all dirt here, so it's very easy to stake down all those pegs around the corners and all the sides as well. So it's very easy and quick. So right now, this tent here, this is the Pamali Chalet Pro 70. I believe that's what's it called. And so pretty much this tent, there's two sides to this. There's two doors, one at each end. It's the same thing. Right now the sun is hitting that side, so we're gonna be spending, at least for now, spending most of the time on this side of the tent, since there's shades on this side and it's pretty hot on the other side. But our main entrance is gonna be on the other side of the tent. So this tent here is pretty big. It's very roomy, a lot more. It's more than enough space for me and Sarang. So a very roomy tent. We can put even with the wood stove inside as well, lots and lots of room for us. But yeah, we're gonna put the wood stove in for tonight because temperature's gonna drop down to close to 0 tonight, 0 Celsius. So it's gonna be a bit chilly. It is warm right now, blue sky, a bit of clouds, but for the most part it's very sunny. And I'm glad we have some of the shade here, and we're very close to the creeks, just right, I'll say, I don't know, 10-15 meters down that way. Beautiful creeks. So there's a lot of flies and bugs around, so I want to get a fire going as soon as we can, just to get rid of all these bugs and flies. That's the one thing I hate about camping during the spring and summer. Lots and lots of flies and bugs, and it gets pretty hot too. All right, before we get our gear out, I'm gonna get some water. For me and Sarang, it's pretty dry and thirsty, so let's get some water inside our system, then we'll get our gear out. All right, we're gonna have a quick snack before we continue. The water was nice, but just need a banana. I'm sorry. All right, it's getting too hot. Think of this sweater. Whew. Wow, it's getting really hot now. Alright guys, we're all set except for the wood stove, but we're in no hurry to set that up yet because we won't be needing that until later tonight. It's crazy. It's pretty hot right now. Whew. But we'll be moving to the other side of the entrance pretty soon. The sun is starting to get some shades over there. This side here is just it's gonna be the back door, and the other side is mainly for it's gonna be the front door. And there's a lot of bugs and mosquitoes already gotten in. It's just crazy. So many bugs. Yeah, tons of bugs in here already. I'm gonna have to get rid of them later, but for now, we're just gonna relax a bit. Everything is sorted out. Again, just got the wood stove to set up. I think I'm gonna start a fire. I'm gonna start a fire now and just get some smoke going, get rid of all those bugs. And tons of bugs here. Oh yeah, I didn't forget my pillow today. On the last trip, I don't know, somehow I forgot my pillows. Tonight, I got my pillows tonight. It's gonna be nice and comfy sleep for me tonight. Let's go ahead and get this pillow set up, and then I'm gonna start a fire right away. Just get rid of all these bugs. A lot of dead dry wood laying around. So I'm just gonna quickly grab some wood around here, start a fire first. Alright guys, we're on the other side now. So this is the front door, and earlier we were on the back door. We got plenty of shade now. For now, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get the fire started. Keep this both mesh door closed. I was able to get rid of all the bugs inside the tent. I think all of them are gone, I hope. But yeah, I'm gonna keep the doors or the mesh door closed for now and get the fire started, and then get the wood stove installed to the tent and get ready for tonight. Still very early in the afternoon. Alright, got the fire going nicely. Looks like the bugs are mostly gone. I don't see any more, so that's a good sign. But Sarang is just chilling over there by the sun. I'm just gonna go ahead and get the wood stove started and get that set up. Then we'll get some bigger logs and set up for tonight. Because according to the forecast, it should dip down to around 0 Celsius tonight, which is pretty chilly for a spring and closer to the summer season. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Alright guys, everything's all done. We're still pretty early in the afternoon and it's still hot. Sun is still out full blast, pretty hot right now. And right now, I think we're just gonna go get some firewood, get her all ready for the wood stove tonight. Okay, I think this is a pretty decent log here, so let's carry it back to camp. Alright, that's one log. Probably need 1 or 2 more of those and we should be good for the night. Alright, that's enough wood. Plenty of wood, I think. Yeah, that should be plenty for us tonight. Let's go ahead and get saw these into smaller pieces and get the wood stove going. Alright, all the woods are split. That was a lot of work. And I think this is a lot of wood. I don't know if it's gonna get cold later tonight or not, because right now it feels so hot. I'll be surprised. I'll be really surprised if it goes down to too close to 0 tonight. But that's what the forecast said, so we'll see what happens tonight. But if it does, we're prepared for the cold tonight. Plenty of wood here. And yeah, let's go ahead and get all this wood inside the tent, start the wood stove, and start cooking our dinner. Alright, I think I went a little bit overboard with the wood. It's a lot of wood. Hopefully it get really cold tonight so we can use it. If not, it's just a total waste. But we'll see. Alright, all the woods are stacked up inside the tent now. We're getting ready to get this, light up this wood stove. But this is a lot of wood. This is the same amount of wood I would get during the winter camping season to keep us warm. But I think we probably gonna use some of this wood, throw in the campfire outside, because this is a lot. And who knows, maybe it get really cold tonight and we'll use it all up. But Terrain just over there chilling. It's just relaxing in the shade now. We have lots of shade here, so it is pretty warm. Gonna start getting ready for dinner. The sun is setting, and we got both fire going well. The wood stove is going nicely. Same thing with the campfire in front of us. Got a lot of nice charcoal going on already. So gonna cook a burger on there, grill a burger, beef burger, and I got some scallop wrapped bacon. Just gonna try grilling on the fire as well. And for Sarang, got a piece of salmon for her, a wild sockeye salmon. I'm gonna also grill that on the fire. And yeah, pretty simple dinner tonight. Just a beef burger and some scallop with wrapped bacon. So yeah, let's go ahead and get our dinner started because I'm starving. Alright, so Sarang salmon's done, and I dropped one of my scallop down on the fire, so I don't think I'll be eating that one. Dinner's ready, and I'm starving. Pretty excited to get our dinner going tonight. Got a burger, some scallop with wrapped bacon, and a root beer here. A sparkling soda root beer. Never tried this brand before. I think it should be a good one. So it's a Rang's dinner here. So got some dry kibbles with the grilled wild sockeye salmon with the skin on as well. I just have everything in there, crush it up, and mix it with the dry kibbles. Gotta give that to her first, but this smoke is just keep following us. Okay, I'm gonna give Sarang her dinner, and then I'm just gonna have my dinner as well. Ready, Sarang? Shake. Shake.
Oh, that's good.
Alright guys, dinner's done, and nightfall is starting to set. Birds are still coming out, quite a lot too. Dinner was really good. A burger, cheese and lettuce, and just a tiny bit of ketchup. It was pretty simple, but it was really good. But that wasn't enough food for me. I could eat another burger, but I'll be fine. I still have some snack later. I'll snack on some snack later when we get inside the tent, and yeah, I'll be fine. And I also brought some food, some noodles for tomorrow morning. So yeah, we'll have breakfast tomorrow morning as well. A couple eggs, some dry noodles. Whew. But yeah, nightfall is starting to set in, and temperature is dropping pretty fast. So it might get down to below 0. Finger crossed, hopefully it does. And I would like to have a nice cold night with the wood stove inside the tent, nice, warm and cozy. That'd be really nice. But yeah, we'll see how cold it gets tonight. But everything's all cleaned up. We're all done here. Just sitting here, relaxed by the fire. Got the fire in front of us, and also the wood stove back inside our tent. Nice, warm and cozy. Even though we don't need it, but I'm sure we'll need it later when it gets dark, because temperature is dropping pretty fast right now. Almost down to 13 Celsius, which is still really warm, but it is dropping pretty fast. Oh, Miss Rang's right beside me. She's nice, warm and cozy, relaxed by the fire. So I think we're just gonna sit here, enjoy the fire until it gets really dark. Enjoy this fire. I got a pile of wood over there, tons and tons of wood for the campfire, and also tons of wood there for the wood stove. Lots and lots of wood here. Okay. Yeah, there's nothing much right now. Just gonna wait until it's dark. Beautiful evening. Alright guys, we're inside the tent now. So I think we're just gonna head to bed pretty soon, but I downloaded a movie on my phone. It's gonna watch a movie and then head to bed. But Sarang's right here. She's already out. She is pretty much out for the night. Yeah, so I think that's it for the night. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good night. Alright, good morning guys. We had a pretty good sleep last night. It got a bit cold around 3-4 a.m. when the fire died out. Temperature didn't go down to like below 0, but it went down to around 5-6 Celsius, so still pretty cold. But I didn't keep the fire going all night, just kind of let it die out because I knew it was gonna be too cold. But it got a bit chilly, and I kind of cuddled up with Sarang in the middle of the night, and got into the sleeping bag and everything. So we were still nice and warm and cozy, and we had a pretty good sleep last night. I got both fires going pretty well now. Got the campfire going in front of us, and the wood stove right here. It's just I'm just boiling some water, gonna get some coffee, and gonna boil some noodles and do some dry noodle with some couple eggs, and that's gonna be for my breakfast this morning. And got a piece of yam here for Sarang too. Gonna heat that up and mix that in with her dry kibbles, and that'll be for her breakfast this morning. So this morning, yeah, pretty calm. Morning's pretty calm so far. A lot of birds are out. First thing I noticed when I woke up was just the sound of the birds. Lots and lots of birds. Alright, let's get our breakfast going and get our morning started. breakfast is good. Got dry noodles, some type of Korean dry noodle, and fried sunny side eggs. Yeah, it's pretty good. Sarang's it's almost done with her breakfast. Got the mixed dry kibbles and some sweet potatoes. Yeah, she loves that stuff. But looks like the sun is coming, starting to come up, and yeah, starting to see some sunshine. So I'm just gonna finish my breakfast, and then probably gonna hang around, enjoy the morning for a bit, and then we'll pack up and get out of here. Alright guys, the sun is starting to come up pretty high now, and it's gonna get hot pretty soon too. Yeah, once the suns are up high, I'll say another hour or so, it's gonna be pretty hot. So I think we're gonna start packing up pretty soon, and call it a day. It's been a really fun trip, very relaxing. Hopefully the next trip will be we'll get some rain. I always love camping in the rain. This morning is so nice, especially waking up to the sound of the birds. That's the first thing we crunch here when we wake up this morning. Beautiful, beautiful morning. And the sun is starting to come out. Yeah. This warm sun in the morning, it's not hot. It feels really, really nice in the morning, especially when you're in the woods, in the forest. It's so refreshing and relaxing. But it's gonna end our trip here, guys. It's been a really fun, relaxing trip. So I think we're just gonna start packing up and then start heading out of here and planning for the next trip. And hopefully we'll get some rain on our next trip. We'd love to camp in the rain. Rainstorm, snowstorm, always looking for that. Kind of give myself a challenge, and there's always learn something from every first encounter. So it's really nice. But I think we're gonna start packing up now. Thanks for joining us, guys, on this trip. It's been a pleasure having you guys along, and I hope you guys enjoyed this trip as much as we did. Until then, guys, I'll see you on the next trip.